The next thing I want to show you with Adobe Spark is Adobe Spark Pages, which is their way of creating a web page. So another alternative to Google Sites would be to check out these pages. So I created one last year when I presented on my pitfalls of the wins and pitfalls of my open concept classroom. And so what it allows you to do is there's little plus signs, and with the plus sign, you can actually add photos, text, a link, video, grid, glide show, which is just a fancy word for a slideshow for photos. And you add the text, and there's different styles of fonts you can use, like a headline, secondary headline, some quotes, bullets. And by doing so, you can create this really visual story or website or informational way of people to get information, presentation. It can be used instead of a slideshow. And so I used it with running photos and bright colors, and then video and photos to deal with show examples of what my room looked like as an opening or as an open concept, and which is cool. But then also, when you're ready to look at it, that's with all the bells and whistles and the pluses, you just hit present and it gives you an idea of what this website could look like, which is really cool. And so give it a couple seconds, and this is now as an actual website. So if you want to create something where there's content you want students to have with links and things, you could create one of these things with images, and you can pull images from Adobe. It uses something called Unsplash, which is free photography. So I'll show you that in a later video. But then it looks like this really gorgeous website that kids could present with, you could use. It's really just really nice and sleek looking. So when you're done, you hit escape, and you can share it with other students. They've recently allowed students and teachers to collaborate, so that's helpful. And then if you wanted to share it, you would then turn it into a publishable link. So this is a quick example of what an Adobe Spark page looks like.